Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see the working of WillPopScope widget. So basically this widget is used to override the back button or provide custom action before user exit the app. So let us see the demonstration of this widget. Now when I press the back button, it shows a message, wait for 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds app will be closed. So let us see the implementation of this widget. Hello everyone, now we need to wrap this scaffold widget with WillPopScope widget. So for this, left click on it and go to the refactor, select wrap with widget and give WillPopScope widget. Now in WillPopScope widget we have onWillPop, and in onWillPop we need to give a future true value so that user can exit the app. So for this, first of all we need to give a future dot delay method, and in this pass the duration in second 5, and after this return a true value. Now before the future dot delay method we have to show a message to the user. So for this, create a final variable scaffold, and in the scaffold pass a scaffold messenger dot off, then context. Now in this, now use scaffold dot show snackbar, and in the snackbar give a content, and in the content give text widget and write wait for 5 seconds. Now after this method will be async. Now hot reload the app. Now in future dot delay give a wait. Now when I press on back button, it shows a message, wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds app will be closed.